Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Xbox with a keyboard and mouse. First, you will need to connect your keyboard and mouse directly to your Xbox console. Most Xbox models have 2 or 3 USB ports, usually located on the front or back. Simply plug in your wired devices. If you are using wireless peripherals, make sure their USB receiver dongle is plugged into an available port. Power on your Xbox, and it should automatically detect the new hardware, preparing you for an enhanced gaming experience. Once your keyboard and mouse are connected, launch Minecraft from your Xbox dashboard. Inside the game, head to the Settings menu. Here, you will find options related to controls. Look for sections that allow you to adjust mouse sensitivity and keyboard keybinds. It is a good idea to confirm that the game is registering input from your new devices. Take a few moments to fine-tune these settings to match your personal playstyle and comfort. Now that you are in the game, the controls will feel very familiar to PC players. Use the W, A, S, D keys on your keyboard to move your character forward, left, backward, and right, respectively. The left mouse button is your primary action button for breaking blocks and attacking enemies. The right mouse button allows you to place blocks and interact with various items and objects. Additionally, the mouse scroll wheel is perfect for quickly cycling through your inventory hotbar. To truly master playing Minecraft with a keyboard and mouse on Xbox, here are a few tips. Spend some time experimenting with different mouse sensitivities until you find what feels most natural for you. Consider customizing keybinds for actions you use frequently, such as jumping or opening your inventory, to optimize your workflow. Always ensure your specific keyboard and mouse models are compatible with your Xbox. Finally, practice in creative mode to get comfortable with your new control scheme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.